Yes, that's my kettle. And she has very significant meaning. So I am on my grandmother journey, and that is grand for a reason. I have received that title, thankfully. And I remember growing up, my grandmother had a kettle as well, and I remember that noise, and I remember the steam. So this is very therapeutic for me. And also, I will be fixing tea and some other things you can use for your kettle. Oatmeal, of course. And then we have the candle going. So yeah. And look at the flowers on my kettle. Give yourself your flowers. And look at that beautiful butterfly. So these are just simple things that I like to do. It is a form of meditation, as I just listen to the sound, look at the uniqueness of it. It looks great. And I'm also going to utilize it and make me some delicious stuff. And I also have some oatmeal. So yeah, very cool. Do this late at night, do my teas, and then in the morning, if I have enough energy, I make time for sunrise, start my kettle, listen for it, look at this steam that comes from it. I may do a little bit of candle therapy. But yeah, simple stuff. Start with the little things. And remember, give yourself your flowers. My kettle. On my granny. Grand at that.